more, more, more. I engage that tension, and then I demagnetize his tension. So I'm basically practicing a healing skill by him pushing into me heavily, push in harder, 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 and now we'll have a nice tension point. And I just empty out that that tension, and I'm demagnetizing the matrices. So his power is exerting, and then, oh, I can't get my power anymore, and the muscles are just letting go because the matrices are letting go. I'm not trying to relax the muscles. All I'm doing is demagnetizing the matrices so his mind can't produce force. So if there's tension, there's a mind of tension that's holding tension, and you demagnetize the matrices, and that mind can't express itself, and the body releases. So you practice the healing skill under this intent, and then just practice releasing your partner's matrices, and there's this jelliness that starts to form, and then you know you're on the right frequency, and you just keep releasing until the body just feels like it wants to fall on the ground, and you stop just before they fall on the ground.